McKenna.
Good evening, everybody. Thanks for coming out. Believe it or not, I'm the guy who's been throwing all those sneakers over the power lines for the past decade or so. I attend Alcoholics Anonymous meetings on a regular basis, but not because I'm an alcoholic or anything. Instead, it's just that I'm addicted to being anonymous. I asked a friend if she likes Motel 6, and she said she likes it anywhere. I used to be a ghostwriter for autobiographies for wealthy illiterates. Some guys bring a gun to a knife fight, but I bring a knife to a pillow fight. I think I'm too fat to eat Slim Jims. I think it's about time that we stopped eating our soup and started drinking it instead. I have a very fancy toothbrush. It's remote controlled. My cell phone, however, is very retro. It's rotary dial. I'd really like to know why all the contestants in the Miss Universe pageant are from planet Earth. Whenever I see a sign that says no shirt, no shoes, no service, I like to just take off my pants and walk right in. Thank you very much, Adam.
Yeah, Gene. Woo! Gene McKenna, everybody. Gene McKenna. That was really funny, man. I love that pillow fight joke. That's hilarious, dude. I love that. What's that? One more time.
Nick Scopoletti
Nick Scopoletti is